And Guinea, let's start off with the news break that is just coming in. Of course, a lot of marathon meetings that will be taking place in the national capital. The NDA trying its best to keep its flock together, Guinea. We also understand a lot of these NDA allies, which includes the TDP and the JDU, will be flying to the national capital for this key meet that will be held at JP Nadda's residence.
That's right, Samiksha. Chandrababu Naidu is definitely the kingmaker this time. Jana Sena chief Pawan Kalyan is also scheduled to fly to national capital today, and further Nitish Kumar is expected to take part in the high-level NDA meeting today. Well, TDP chief Chandrababu Naidu will leave from Krishna district of the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh airport at 11 a.m. today morning for Delhi, and Chandrababu Naidu will participate in the NDA meeting. Now, the big question is, Chandrababu Naidu is definitely a seasoned politician, Samiksha, and is he going to ask for a special status for Andhra Pradesh? I'm sure he's going to take his share of, important portfolios as well for his.
All right, Guinea, let's take that same point across to Riyanka, who's reporting live from outside Amit Shah's residence. We also have Gopi, who's joining us from outside JP Nadda's residence. Let's go across to Riyanka first. Riyanka, a lot of meetings, of course, that will be taking place in the national capital today. But tell us more about the focus point here at the meeting that will be taking place. Allies, is the portfolio allocation going to be the center point of discussion among the NDA partners?
Right, Gopi, I would pose the same question to you first. In fact, what are the key pointers that are going to be discussed in this meeting? Chandrababu Naidu is a very seasoned politician. Of course, what is the role that he's going to ask for himself? Will he demand a special status for Andhra Pradesh?
From picking up from yesterday, BJP, after falling short of majority in the results yesterday, they are eyeing at alliances now. And the two major alliances that we are rooting at as a party BJP would be rooting at is Chandrababu Naidu's TDP as well as JDU Supremo Nitish Kumar, who are going to be in Delhi today. Yesterday, after TDP had secured good number of seats in the state, Shah and Prime Minister Modi, both of them had dialed a number of Chandrababu Naidu, and they had congratulated him. They've also promised that they are going to attend his swearing-in ceremony. So we are expecting, yes, if Chandrababu Naidu plans to join or ally with NDA, he is going to demand probably a larger portfolio. Talking about the another JDU Supremo, Nitish Kumar, who will be in Delhi today as well. Yesterday, the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar had confirmed that yes, their alliance with NDA is they had given surety on their alliance with NDA, but we just need to see what other demands will be put forward by Nitish Kumar in today's meeting. While we already know that Nitish Kumar and his say in the state of Bihar has been constant since 2005, and he was only absent for a few months in between. I'm sure that we are sure that NDA would be formed along with these two leaders if they confirm with the demands of both the leaders. Back to you.
Yes, Gopi, stay with us. Let's take the same point across Guinea to Riyanka, who is back with us. Riyanka, it has been a challenge, for the NDA, for the BJP to get the NDA allies together. Talk to us about how mammoth this task is going, what is the way forward? And if at all Nitish Kumar does switch sides again, how will it change the dynamics overall?
That's right. Several interesting developments will be taking place because we know that there are multiple meetings that have been lined up today, be it the NDA meeting or the cabinet meeting. For starters, the NDA meeting, which has been called by JP Nadda to take place at around 4:30 p.m. today. We know that Chirag Paswan, Nitish Kumar, Chandrababu Naidu, all these leaders are all set to join in this particular meeting. And remember, these are the NDA allies, because BJP still needs to prove its majority. It did not reach the majority mark on itself, but along with these NDA allies. So as my colleague had earlier mentioned, that there has been several demands of these allied leaders who are going to come in today, and they will in fact go ahead and put their demands forward. Now if the majority strikes, which is quite likely, we know that it is going to be Modi 3.0, but on the other hand, several interesting developments are also likely for the India Alliance, because they also have particular meetings lined up today. They are also trying to woo the TDP and the JDU to come into their, batch, so that they can also go ahead and prove their majority. Before the formation of the 18th Lok Sabha, the BJP has to, in fact, go ahead and prove its majority to form the government. So all these, developments will be taking forward, because a plan of action will be chalked out today during the NDA meeting, also during the cabinet meeting. So we are looking forward for these leaders to come into the national capital. Chandrababu Naidu, he will be flying from Gannavaram airport at around 11, and then the leaders will start coming in, and after that these meetings will take forward. We know how it was a victory for the BJP, because it was at a comfortable position, but did not reach the majority mark. On the other hand, we see how at this point in time it is very interesting to see who exactly forms the government. Quite likely it is going to be the NDA.